Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're going to help you practice your English speaking skills by describing hobbies and interests.
That's right. Talking about hobbies and interests is a great way to practice English. It helps you learn new vocabulary and improve your speaking skills.
Plus, it's a fun way to connect with others. So, let's get started.
We'll begin with some basic phrases and then move on to more detailed descriptions. Ready, Emma?
Ready, Alex.
All right, let's start with some basic phrases you can use to talk about your hobbies. Emma, why don't you go first?
Sure. One common way to start is by saying, I enjoy hobby. For example, I enjoy painting.
Exactly. Another way to say this is, I like hobby. For instance, I like hiking.
You can also use I'm interested in hobby. For example, I'm interested in photography.
Great. Now let's practice these phrases. I'll describe a few of my hobbies and you can follow along.
Sounds good.
So, one of my hobbies is cooking. I might say, I enjoy cooking because it's relaxing and allows me to be creative.
Nice. Another hobby could be reading. You could say, I like reading novels, especially mystery and thriller genres.
Perfect. Remember, you can mix and match these phrases to fit your own hobbies.
And don't forget to add a bit more detail to make your descriptions interesting.
Let's dive into more detailed descriptions. Emma, can you start by describing one of your favorite hobbies in detail?
Sure. Let's take gardening as an example. You might say, gardening is one of my favorite hobbies. I find it very rewarding to see my plants grow. I usually spend my weekends tending to my garden, planting flowers and vegetables. It's a relaxing way to connect with nature, and I love the satisfaction of harvesting homegrown produce.
That's a wonderful description. Notice how Emma included why she enjoys gardening and what she does.
Exactly. Adding reasons and details makes your description more engaging and helps you practice using a variety of vocabulary.
Another example could be describing playing the guitar. You might say, playing the guitar is something I'm passionate about. I started learning when I was a teenager and now I play in a local band. I love the challenge of learning new songs and the joy of performing for others.
That's a great example. It shows how you can describe not just the hobby itself, but also your experience and what it means to you.
Let's practice a bit more. I'll describe a hobby, and you can try describing one of your own in the same way.
Sounds good.
Here's an example about cycling. Cycling is a fantastic hobby that I enjoy for both fitness and relaxation. I often go on long bike rides during the weekends, exploring new trails and enjoying the fresh air. It's a great way to stay active and clear my mind.
That's a great description. Now it's your turn to describe one of your hobbies in detail.
Now let's practice having a conversation about hobbies. Emma and I will role-play a conversation where we ask each other about our interests.
Let's do it. I'll start. Hi, Alex. What do you like to do in your free time?
Hi, Emma. I really enjoy playing chess. It's a great way to challenge my mind and strategize. How about you?
That's interesting. I'm really into baking. I love trying out new recipes and sharing my creations with friends and family. Do you have a favorite chess opening?
Yeah. My favorite is the Queen's Gambit. It's a strong opening that sets up a solid position. And what's your favorite recipe to bake?
I love making chocolate chip cookies. They're always a hit at gatherings. I'm always looking for new baking tips. Do you have any hobbies you'd like to try in the future?
I'd love to learn how to play the piano. It's something I've always wanted to try. How about you?
I'd like to try pottery. It seems like a relaxing and creative activity. It's exciting to think about trying something new.
Absolutely. Exploring new hobbies can be a lot of fun.
And it's a great way to meet new people and learn new things.
So there you have it. Some ways to describe your hobbies and interests, and a sample conversation to practice.
Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Don't be afraid to use new vocabulary and add details to your descriptions.
That's right. And if you have any questions or want to share your hobbies, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.
Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more English practice videos.
See you next time.
Bye for now.